create your AI avatar, we have to navigate to this part, which is here, AI avatar. So here you will see all the AI avatars that you guys have created. If not, it will not be here. So first, let's start with how you can create your own avatar. For that, you have to click create avatar, and this beautiful interface. Okay, so basically what we are going to do here is personalize your AI avatar. And when I say personalize, it starts from giving it a name, giving it an image, and giving it a personality. So you're literally going to create like a digital human here, right? So the UI is very self-explanatory. You will know, you'll be very much guided with what we have here. If you see, you have to give an AI name, avatar, but I'm going to give you a live demo anyway. But if you see, the UI is very self-explanatory. You can just explore the platform as well to see how you can make your own AI avatar. Now, for the demo purpose, I'm going to be creating my AI avatar, and let's give the name as Aishwarya. So if anybody doesn't know, I am Aishwarya Rebelson. I am the lead product marketer here. So it's Aishwarya. I've given the name, and I can give any descriptions. Okay. Helps you in understanding digital stack. Okay, so here the description will appear in Avatar's listing. So it will also tell you where this description actually gets listed, right? So let's move on to the next one, where I'm going to be giving an image. Like if you see here, you see an icon, right? So just like that, I'm going to personalize this avatar with my own image. I'm hoping I have some files here. Yes, I do have it. Okay, so I've updated my image. In a few seconds, you'll see. So there you go. This is my image. I've uploaded and given it a, personality. Now, this is basically your basic information that you are given, your name, description, and an icon. Now, let's go to the second one, which is basically setting up your behavior and responses. So far, am I clear? Any doubts? You can raise your hand, unmute. Okay, cool. Okay, I see a lot of new people coming as well. Thank you so much for joining. Now let's go to the second part, which is the behavior and responses. Okay, and here you have to enter two kind of information. One is the welcome message, which basically means when somebody opens up your AI avatar, the chat interface appears, right? So what is the text that is going to be on the chat interface? Now, hello, I am your AI avatar. How can I help you today? Is the same text that is here. So you can put like a welcome text, whichever way you want, like on whichever topic that you want to create this AI avatar for. So I am going to say, get my copy. Okay. This is the welcome message that I've chosen. Welcome. I'm your personal coach for the digital SAT. I'm here to help you conquer the new test format, boost your scores. What subject do you want to start with today? Math or reading and writing? So you can do this for any type of test or any type of topic also. So this is customizable. So here, since I've given like a my whole avatar is for digital SAT, I've given a description like that, a welcome message like that. Am I clear till now? Any doubts, people? Okay, cool. Let's move on to the next one, which is basically giving personality. So here is where things get interesting. So this is not like a general AI avatar. We are trying to basically duplicate your personality, your own character, communication style into this AI avatar. So you can give the description of your own teaching style here. So that is what we are going to give here. So I am going to get the copy. You are basically instructing this AI avatar to behave in a certain way, and the description can be as elaborate as possible. As far as I know, there is no text limitation, so you can tell in which tone you want the AI avatar to speak, which kind of way you want to communicate to the user, or do you want them to be very encouraging? Do you want them to be very friendly? So all these things you can give here. So the description that I've given for this avatar is, this avatar is an expert, or we can also say you are an expert tutor with a patient, encouraging, and a clear tone. It should break down complex. You should break down complex topics into simple, digestible steps. When a user gets a question wrong, the you should not give the correct answer, but also explain why behind it. So you see the flow that I'm taking here. So you're basically giving that indication of how you want a avatar to perform. Okay. So any doubts so far? I hope not. Okay, let's move on to the next section. So we have given like an image and a personality now. Now we are going to give the brain to the AI avatar. Okay. You will see this is optional step. However, based on the avatar, based on the subject that you are creating, if you have any materials in hand, for example, this is a digital SAT avatar, right? So just in case if I have like an old question papers or any resources that has a lot of questions, answers, explanations of digital SAT, you can just upload here. So basically what it does is the AI avatar will rely on that data to provide the right answers or to guide through the students. So for you to actually create your own database, there is already a list of database that I have created earlier. You can select, I mean, if you have created that already, you can select from that, or else you can create your own knowledge base. For that, what you have to do is you have this button here, right? Create new knowledge base. Click on that, and you will see like a model popping up. Here, you just have to give a name, description, tag, and upload the file. Now, let me show you how you can do that. I'm going to give a name. So basically, if you be elaborate with your description, you will also know what kind of database you have created for this avatar. That is why we advise everyone to actually write the description and tags. Okay, so I've given like a tag. Now let's upload my file. Okay, I have uploaded 2 files. So here you can also see the limitations on the number of files that you can upload and the size as well. So once everything is done, I'm going to click on create. Any doubts so far, people? Okay, let's click on create. Okay, yes, our knowledge base is successfully created. Now, if you see whatever we have created is just got attached to the A avatar. Okay, so now, okay, thank you, Priyanshu, for giving me that information. So here, it is not like an overall limitation to the amount of files that you can add to a single AI avatar. It is just at one time. At one time, you can only add up to 10 files, and the file size has to be 50 MB. Am I right, Priyanshu? Yeah, got it. Okay, so now let's get back to what we have been creating. So we have given like a name, we have given like a personality, and we have also given the brain now. Now it is time for us to save the avatar. So I'm going to click on save avatar. Okay. Now let's go to the avatar interface and see where our AI avatar is. So like I told you, all the avatars that we have created will be listed here. If you click on see all, you will see all the AI avatars. Now, this is the one that we have created. Why it is not appearing? Priyanshu, can you look into this, please?
It looks like you clicked on the wrong one.
No, I have. Yeah, I think it's updated now. So can you see my images here? And this is the welcome image I have added right now. So that also you can see. Am I clear till now, people? Any doubt? Okay, cool. Okay, now the interesting part is, can you see this fourth step, which is evaluating your AI avatar? Okay. So what happens here is you have created your AI avatar. Now you can also like ask questions in this interface. It's like a live testing that you can do to test how well your AI avatar is responding to your messages. Okay. So let me ask a question. I'm just saying hi. Let's see how it's responding. Hi, how can I help you today? Are there any topics that you're eager to learn about or questions you have in mind? So I'm going to, I would like, so I have put like a question. I would like to learn about algebra, and you see how elaborate the AI avatar has responded. It has also told to get started. Could you please let me know which specific aspect of algebra you are interested in? So it gives you like a step-by-step guidance. The reason being, we have entered the prompt like that. Give a like, very elaborate step-by-step instruction to the students. So it is acting upon the instructions that we have added so far. Any questions so far, people? Okay, hope not. Now, this way you can test how your AI avatar is actually responding to the messages. Imagine that this would be the student and this would be the AI avatar. Instead of just launching it to the user portal and seeing how it is performing with the students, you can actually test it live in this interface itself. Okay. So now let's move on to the next part, which is basically evaluating your AI avatar. Now, we come across this question a lot of time, like how you guys are different from ChatGPT, Gemini. I can make this in ChatGPT also. ChatGPT gives you the same kind of answer and everything. But the difference here is, your own AI avatar is more contextual than ChatGPT, right? You have like given it a lot of knowledge base to it. You have personalized the tone and everything, and you can deploy this AI avatar even to your user portal, which the other AI agents or the AI tools available in the market can't do. Right. Now, to take it to the next level, we have also introduced this feature where you can set a benchmark. Okay, how your AI avatar is performing versus how the other AI tools that are available are performing. So, to give you a live demo, I will just show you. If you click on Run Evaluation, you will be taken back to this kind of an interface where all the tests that are there in your course will be listed. So basically, I am going to give a test to the AI avatar that I have created and see how it is performing. So we can benchmark that performance with the AI tools. So let's do this one now and run evaluation. So it will take 2 or 3 minutes depending upon the length of the test that we have. So when I tested earlier, if the test has like 40 questions, it is taking somewhere around 4 to 5 minutes. If the test is like very small, it will give you the evaluation in 2 to 3 minutes. So now you have seen evaluation has started. Once it's completed, we will notify you. So what happens after this is, once the evaluation is completed, you will see a green notification bar on your top right corner. And you'll also receive an email, which I will be showing you as well. So any questions so far? Any thoughts?
I have a question, and this is more just like AI in general. And so, what I don't understand is when we're uploading those files, those are just like sample questions.
Yeah.
So where is the avatar getting all of the like response problem solving from.
Okay. Raja, you're in the call, right?
Yes, sir, Surya.
Yeah. Okay. Anna, Raja is our lead engineer, so he will help you understand the technicality behind it. Raja, can you please explain how the logic and all is being understood by the AI avatar?
Uh,
Actually, actually, may I answer that question, Aishwarya?
yeah, Chandra, you can answer that question.
Basically, what happens is, even if we do not include any files as a knowledge base, okay, then also the AI avatar basically can answer some of the questions. But here in our platform, basically we have designed these AI avatars to basically answer or to solve any query that the student has. Okay. So, for example, a student has given a test on mathematics subject, for example. So, if a student has any doubt after attempting the test, if a student has any doubt regarding like any question, they can ask these AI avatars. So we can include that particular knowledge base. For example, let's take an example of algebra. Okay, so we can we can include that algebra topic, maybe PDF or any file as a knowledge base. So our AI avatar will be able to answer user's query more effectively.
And is that
Let
because they're able to like it would access examples from what I uploaded?
yeah. It
Also,
will first search, whatever file we have uploaded. I will tell you step by step. Student asks any question, right? Then our AI avatar first searches that file, whatever we have uploaded. First searches the file, okay, and then it answers according to that.
Okay, let me ask. So I'm curious if, like, so for example, we work with a lot of kids who are taking the SAT, and if we're doing SAT math questions, would I be able to create an avatar that only answers in like about the Desmos calculator and does not go outside? Like, if it cannot be done on Desmos, it says it cannot be done. Like, would that be something? Basically, I'm concerned about, like, I'd like to limit where it's pulling its information from. Is that an option?
Yes, it can be option. We can limit that. As you can see in the let me share my screen, Ashwarya.
Yes, please. Yes, please.
Basically, this personality and communication style, here we can define the personality, and we can even limit the AI avatar that which knowledge base, whether means the AI avatar should be able to answer only the PDF we have uploaded here. We can write something like here in this area.
To say, like, only answer math questions with, or start your answer with a Desmos solution.
Yeah. We can do that.
Interesting.
And we can limit that with our backend also. Whatever the backend we have designed, there also we can define whatever you have asked. Like it will answer only about that Desmos calculator you have asked.
Thank you. Okay, that's really interesting. And I'm curious, also, Ashwarya, you may be about to talk about this, but how do we decide which avatar the student sees? since you have multiple.
Okay, I will get you that.
Thank
I'm
you.
going to send my screen. Okay, so I'll just finish off what we have been seeing. So I think the evaluation is done, because I didn't know whether you guys have seen that green thing since you guys were in the conversation. But like I told you, you also get an email to your registered email that this evaluation is done. So it will also tell you the test name for which you have done the evaluation for, the test type, and if you click on view your analytics, you basically get to see the performance of the AI avatar against that particular test. So here you will see the number of questions rightly answered, and accuracy level, question by question analysis, and you also get the generalized feedback as well. So this is how the output will be, right? So currently we don't have the benchmark details on the screen, but we are working on giving you like how well your AI avatar is performing against the other models that is available. So we will be releasing that soon, and once released, we'll keep you posted as well on that. Okay, so coming back to the question that Anna has asked. So let's say that you have created this avatar, right? So it's saved, avatar saved successfully. Okay, so the earlier one, this was I created long back, so that's why you see the same image. So here, if you click, you will see three options. One is view and edit, which if you want to edit the content or update anything. Deploy means you can basically deploy this whole avatar to your user portal and make primary. So if you go to the AI avatar, like in your user portal, on your home page, you will see this one, right? So this will be your primary AI avatar. So what is the meaning of primary AI avatar is, if you want one avatar to be answering all your queries, handling support for question students and all, you can just basically deploy that as a primary avatar, right? If you want to create like a specific avatar for a course that you are doing, you can navigate to any of the course that you have created and go to a avatar. Like in the same, you guys would be very familiar with this interface. So we have added this a avatar where you can create your course based a avatar. Okay, so if it is an ACT, you can have an ACT a avatar for that course. If it is a DSAT, you have a DSAT, and whatever the course that you've created, you can have like your own course a avatar. So the procedure is as same as how I have given you a demo earlier. Click on create a avatar and you will see the same interface. Give it a personality, give it like an image, give it a brain, and you're good to go. Okay, hope I answered your question. You can create two types and you can, yeah, thank you so much. And I also see Ashwaghosh has raised his hand regarding this thing. Yeah, please.
Yeah, I just wanted to check in terms of hallucination, how does this, as I think someone mentioned, right? I mean, so there are two ways. One is you give knowledge base. Other one is you even if you do not give it because it's an optional step. I assume whatever models are there running in the background to power this AI, that model is making sense of the question or the query and then accordingly reverting back.
Agreed.
So in terms of hallucination, right, in both the cases, I mean, we have seen a lot of chatbots hallucinate after a certain amount of time.
Agreed.
From users' point of view, I just wanted to understand how how the backend is taking care of this particular problem.
Correct. Okay, Chandra Prakash, would you like to take this, please?
Yeah,
Thank
sure. Basically, as we are using LLM models, so there are probability that they can hallucinate, but we have made sure that it will hallucinate, meaning like hallucination times are very less. Like if you ask like 100 questions, okay, maybe one or two one or two questions, for one or two questions, it can hallucinate.
Okay,
We have made sure in the backend.
understood.
And we keep updating these models. Like one of our engineers said, we use the best model. And as far as I have seen in the support, we rarely receive comments or a support ticket telling that the AI has hallucinated.
Got it.
So we do a lot of back-end engineering with the best people
Got
here.
it.
So that's how it's done.
Got it. And from the user point of view, is there any way for the user to give feedback, back, let's say let's say the answer is not right or there is a hallucination event. So
Basically, like a report feature, are you asking?
sort of, yes.
Sort
Maybe
of.
feedback, thumbs up, thumbs down, something like that.
We have this one. Like this is the user portal that you see. So
Yeah.
they can give like a like if they are really. We didn't want to
But
give
this
dislike.
is at an avatar level, but not at a conversation
Conversation level, as far as I am aware of, that thing has not happened yet.
Got
We
it.
don't have like a chat-wise measurement or chat-wise feedback thing.
Understood.
So yeah, so that's the.
Understood. Assuming that it rarely hallucinate, I think that should be fine.
Yeah, I think all
just
AI
curious to
models
know.
have that
Yeah.
capability. Right? It's not like so perfect yet, but
But
we
it's
are
very,
working
very
on improving that functionality often. Like because AI Avatar is one of our most used feature. Like people who have onboarded recently might not be so used to it, but we
Yeah.
have like legacy companies who are using it very, very often. So we
Definitely.
really take care of that kind of a functionality from the back end, and our engineers are doing a great job at it.
Got it. Got it. Understood. Understood. I mean, I just out of curiosity, I wanted to know.
That is actually a good question for us also to tell everyone that that
the
is
feedback feature
very
you were asking. Actually, that is we have already implemented, but it's not deployed yet.
Understood.
Okay.
Understood.
And we
Understood.
can deploy it immediately. Okay.
Understood. So right now we do not have any AI avatar as far as my knowledge is concerned. I think we have one common avatar, which is Mia.
okay.
But
Correct.
apart from that, I think we would want to create more avatars. Maybe one specifically for maths, and then maybe one specifically for English, and similarly for other courses. Uh,
Yeah.
I wanted to know. I
Hmm.
mean, so since I'm pretty new and still trying to figure out how things
That's-
work in terms of costing, right?
Hmm.
For example, we create a couple of avatars, and then of course, like we have certain active students, and they
Hmm.
will go ahead and maybe
Hmm.
chat with this avatar and consume, conversations depending on their pro or pro max kind of
Yep.
a thing. How it is linked back to us? Like, is it linked with the AI credit which I can see in the admin account, or is it
Yeah, I
something
think this is a very common question that even I keep hearing it often. So this is your user plan, right? So when
Yeah.
somebody is conversing with the AI avatar in the user portal, this is what happens. Like 600
correct?
AI chats for Pro, and for Pro Max, it is 1200.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah. So
Got
this AI credit has nothing to do with what the user is doing. It is basically for you. You can play around with it using the AI
got it.
feature.
Got it. Got it.
Thank you so much.
Got it. Thanks.
Yeah. Any questions, people? Okay. So I've missed one part, which is actually deploying your own AI avatar. For that, you can go to this button. So like I told you, you'll see all the AI avatars that is listed, and you see these three dots, right? Click here and click on deploy. Okay. So you'll get a notification telling that that your AI avatar is deployed. Now, if you go to your user portal, there you go. It's me here. I am deployed to the user portal. So now the user can just basically open it, chat, get the information, learn better, interact better, and yeah, that's how it's done. Any questions so far? Okay. I am hoping we don't have any question. Support is great for this. I sent screenshot when this happened to me during a demo and was, yeah, we are very quick in support. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you. Really, this means a lot. Okay. And just wanted to let you know, guys, that this office hours happens every week on Friday, 7:30 p.m. So me and my team are very prompt coming to this meeting, explaining you everything. Any question you have about this feature or any feature as well, we are open to take that question as well. And we also have a very small WhatsApp group. It's basically like an announcement channel that we have created to keep you guys informed about what is happening inside Vega AI, be it product updates, be it any wins that we have, or any celebration that is happening. So just to make sure that we are always connected to the customers. So I am going to put that link on the chat here. You guys can join, and thank you so much, Heather. This really means a lot. You can just join, ask questions, and if you want any kind of an improvement or any specific feature that you guys want a demo of, we are more than happy to conduct it. So I'm assuming that you guys don't have any questions, right?
No, I do have a question.
You
Hello.
please do.
Yeah, it's me again. Sorry. So I noticed that when the AI took the test, it missed a question.
Yeah. You noticed it, right?
So yeah, what does that mean?
Chandra Prakash, are you there? Can you help her understand why the AI avatar has missed a question?
And I actually I don't super care why it missed the question. I care so if a student misses that question, what is the AI doing so they can support that student?
Okay, if that is your question, this is not like whether students will leave this question or not. This is basically how the AI avatar that you have created is performed on this question. And like you have to keep updating your database also. This like if you compare this particular model with other GPT or Gemini, this code would be very different. Like we are working on creating that benchmark data for all the model, like I told you before, that is still work in progress. However, our model has
Yep.
you can.
Priyanshu, you are better
Let
fit
me
to
answer-
explain this.
Let me answer that, Ashwarya.
Yes, please. Yes.
Basically, what happens, Anna, whenever we create a new avatar, right? Then the avatar may not be knowing all the questions or all the knowledge. It may not have all the knowledge, right? So we can run AI avatar evaluation on that. Okay, on any particular test, you can decide your own questions. Okay, and you can run evaluation on that particular avatar you have created. Okay, and then you can see the analytics that the AI avatar, how it is performing on those questions, where it is making mistakes. Okay, and in the analytics section you can see that which topic is weak for that AI avatar. Okay, and the topic in which the AI avatar is weak, what you can do, you have three options to improve it. First one, you can give the you can give proper prompt or proper prompt how to respond that. And the second one is knowledge base. The topic in which the AI avatar is weak, you can upload knowledge base, like any PDF file or images on that. Okay, so that after uploading it, after the PDF file uploading, okay, you can then again run the test. Then it will be answering, the AI avatar will be answering that particular question the first time it made mistake. Okay, that is how we can improve it.
Yeah, that is a good explanation. Anna, if in short, if I summarize,
I'll answer
yeah,
this
Thank you,
again.
Priyanshu.
Yeah. Uh, what's happening, Anna, is this AI avatar is answering these questions for the first time based on what knowledge base you have added and what knowledge it has prior to that. Secondly, when a student makes mistakes and the AI is there to help him out, it will have the actual solution that you have uploaded um, in that question, in that test. So it will be better. It will have a better context to tell the student that where they have went wrong, and so of that. Here, what we are doing in evaluation of AI avatar is that the avatar is acting as a student and giving that test. But while reviewing a test along with the student where student have made any mistakes, what is happening is that they have a better context because solutions is there attached to the question, right? and everything other than that, like rubric also. So yeah.
Basically, after running evaluation, we can improve its performance by we have three options. You will see that on the analytics page. Okay, let me just share my screen. I will tell you clearly then. Can you see my screen?
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah. After running the test, you will get this analytics for like any AI avatar you have run the test. Okay, you have three main options how you can adjust or how you can improve your AI avatar performance, right? Whatever topic is weak for that AI avatar, you can implement knowledge base, or you can insert knowledge base for that particular topic, so that next time when a user asks or a student asks any question about that particular topic, most probably AI avatar will not make mistake. Okay, so, and the third one is tool uses. This is actually implemented in our backend system, but we have not deployed it. Okay, we will deploy it soon. So what happens is, for math questions, we can improve its performance, means AI avatar performance, by enabling some of the tools. If we enable tools, the performance of AI avatar will improve. So basically, these are the three options in which we can improve the AI avatar performance. Okay, and you can track that by running like multiple tests. Like you have run one test, and if its a score is like 90%, okay, and the topic in which the AI avatar is weak, you can include knowledge base, and then if you run the test, its performance will increase.
Okay. Thank you.
Hope you got your answer. And okay, cool. Okay then. So we have one more question. Where can I find analytics, let's say on a daily level or a date range, which user have utilized how many AI chats? And I think, Priyanshu, we don't have that feature yet, right? The split.
No, yeah, we don't have right now, but we will be updated
Yeah,
soon.
we don't have right now, but we are building
Understood.
a history thing behind. Like it will be up soon.
Got it. Got it. All right.
Yeah.
So, I
Thank
mean, although like we have not launched it, but let's say we launch it and then we want to understand
you.
out
Obviously.
of the pool how many people, because
Yeah.
will I mean, once we have it, then only we can, let's say, drive adoption from the live users.
100%, 100%. That is a necessary metric for any business to run. So we got that. We got this feedback from a few of the clients in the recent past.
Got
So I will take this up with the product team as well.
Understood.
So yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, you said somebody. Yeah, this is something that we've got it recently, yesterday only. We are planning to launch that, like history. So everything that the user is doing, you can see it in one view, be it user plan or the AI chats. That is a good suggestion. Thank you so much. So any questions, any doubts, any help you need from Team VEGA AI? Okay. Hoping there is none. Thank you so much, everyone, for attending this. I know it's a Friday late evening in IST time zone. You guys have been there for almost like 45 minutes and hearing everything that we have spoken so far. It really means a lot. Thank you so much, and hope you guys have a wonderful, wonderful weekend.